Hello guys and gals, welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Google Pixel 2. If you guys would like to check out other tutorials, tips and tricks on the Google Pixel, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to turn the screen rotation on and off. Just going to start off by demonstrating, showing you guys what I mean by the screen rotation. So let's go ahead, start off by getting into Chrome. And when you're in Chrome, let's say you would like to read this sideways. So if you were to rotate your device sideways, you might need to hold it up and down a little more, but it does rotate. I'll show you guys it rotates in both directions. So it does rotate horizontally, and it should rotate horizontally unless you have it locked. So let's say you do not want it to turn horizontally when you rotate your phone. What you're going to want to do is hit this little button right up here. It looks like a phone rotating with little arrows. Go ahead and select that. And once you select it, it should then look like this, to where it's just up and down with no arrows. Once you have that, then you can go ahead and go back into whatever you're using. And as you guys can see, it does not rotate. I stand it up, it still doesn't rotate. I'll take it to the other side, it still won't rotate. So that is how you lock your screen from not rotating. And let's say you want your screen to rotate, and for whatever reason you can't get it to rotate. What I would recommend doing is going over here. Once again, start from the top, slide down from the colored portion, slide down, and look at your little shortcuts here, and select that. Make sure you have the little phone shape with the arrows going sideways, meaning that they are rotating. If you guys don't see it up here in your top 6 here, there's a little arrow right here. Go ahead and select that. And as you guys can see, there are 9 of the shortcuts now, so it might be a little lower. You might have to go into the edit and edit them, get it in the order that you like. This is just the default order that I had mine when I got my device. So that is how you rotate. That's how you lock and unlock the rotation on the Google Pixel 2. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's struggling with this, might need a little bit of help, go ahead and share that with them. That's all I got for you guys on this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.